Hello everyone, welcome back to Thoovi, your happy place for all things art. Today we're diving into something truly exciting, an unboxing and a swatching session of the HIMI Watercolour Paint Set, featuring 36 beautifully curated shades in 12 ml tubes. Let's start with the packaging. Right out of the box, the HIMI set makes an impression. The design is clean, minimal and travel friendly. The tubes are nested securely, making this not just easy to store but also incredibly portable. Whether you're heading to art class, the park, or just your cozy art corner, it's the kind of set that looks professional, feels premium, and invites you to start painting the moment you open it. Now for the best part, the colors. Inside you'll find 36 vibrant shades ranging from bold primaries, luminous pastels, earthy neutrals, to deep moody tones. Each tube is filled with richly pigmented, high-quality paint, designed for a smooth flow and excellent transparency. So whether you're into bright florals or subtle gradients, this range gives you everything you need to experiment and create. And the consistency, buttery smooth. These paints re-wet beautifully, making them ideal for multiple techniques, be it layering, blending, washes, and even lifting. This set isn't just for pros. It's a dream for beginners, students, hobbyists, and even experienced watercolorists looking for an everyday go-to set. It plays well with most watercolor papers, traditional and synthetic brushes, and adapts effortlessly to your personal style. If you're a sketchbook artist or someone building your portfolio on a budget, this set really balances affordability with professional results. So as we move from one hue to another, take note of the vibrancy. Even when diluted, these shades retain their glow. The transitions are buttery smooth, and the colors blend into each other seamlessly. You would see no chalkiness, no weird residue, just clean, fluid movement on paper. The warm coral pink, the transparent turquoise, and the earthy olive green. A few of them are so expressive and versatile. And look at how they layer. A second pass gives depth without muddying the tones. It's the kind of control that's hard to find at this price point. So if you've been waiting to invest in a proper watercolor set, this might be your sign. The HIMI 36 watercolor tube set delivers quality, versatility, and a wide shade range, all in one sleek box. And the best part, this set is now available at a whopping 40% off exclusively on your favorite Thoovi website. So whether you're stocking up for school, adding to your studio stash, or just starting out on your watercolor journey, there's never been a better time to grab it. So just head to the Thoovi website, go to the watercolor section, and bring this beautiful box home. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing and this swatching session as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and until we meet next time, keep creating, keep coloring, and keep shining with Thoovi. Bye-bye.